Well, it's been 1 year since we broke up. I was hoping this would be different. I thought maybe by now I wouldn't hurt so much, that the sadness would have faded away. But it hasn't. You're still everywhere. And if you aren't, then I'm imagining you into existence. I'm imagining us making pancakes together. Me with my blueberries and you with your chocolate chips. Both of us humming along to our own song. The radio playing softly in the background as the snow falls gently outside. There's always hot chocolate on the table too. And I never wanted that song to end, nor did I ever want to grow up. Not when I had you. In relationships like ours, there are moments etched into our souls, tiny pieces of time carved out of the universe itself. We collected these moments like precious gems, tucking them away into secret places within our hearts. These were our anchors, our reasons for getting out of bed every morning. You made me want to wake up, to face the sun and the world because I knew I had you waiting for me. And together, we'd paint another masterpiece onto the blank canvas of our lives. With each sunrise, we added another layer to our story, our love, a testament to the passage of time. And then you left. And with you, you took all of those beautiful memories, all of our songs and our dances and our whispered secrets. And the house we built together has turned into a tomb. Those walls are bare. They're echoing now. They remember what they once held. But you aren't here to fill them anymore. I walk through the empty rooms, past the photographs on the mantelpiece, and I try to understand how I can still feel so connected to you while being so achingly alone. I still know the way the light filters through the curtains at dawn, just like I know the way you used to sleep, curled up with a book, breathing softly in the sunlight. The rocking chair on the porch is still there, but the rhythm of its gentle sway has changed. And I keep replaying your laughter in my head, because the sound of your voice is more precious to me than gold. Our years together spun a tapestry of joy and sorrow, dreams and aspirations, hopes and heartbreaks. And I was lost in the patterns, the intricate knots of love that bound us together. Now look at me. Here I am trying to pick apart the threads, attempting to untangle the mess and make sense of the fragments of my broken heart. This isn't how it was supposed to be. You were supposed to be here holding my hand, helping me sort through the colors, putting me back together again. I never imagined a world without you. In fact, I was convinced our love story would have a happy ending. We'd grow old together, grayer and frailer, but still deeply in love, sharing stories about our lives as the seasons turned and the years slipped away. But that's not our story. This isn't my story, and it hurts to realize that. When you loved me, I felt whole. You were the missing piece of my puzzle, the ink to my pen, the song to my poetry. You were the reason behind the art, the drive behind my passions, and now I'm here creating nothing, living in a silent world where creativity has died. I used to think our love would last forever. I don't believe in forever anymore. I do believe in us, though. I believe in the strength of what we had. I just wish that whatever magic kept us together then could keep us together now. The truth is, I'm terrified of moving forward without you. I'm afraid of forgetting the way you smiled, the crinkles around your eyes when you laughed, the soft brush of your fingertips against mine. Afraid I'll forget the things that made you, because you were more than just a person to me. You were my compass, guiding me through life's storms. And now I'm lost in the vast ocean of uncertainty. I keep drowning in memories, trying to stay afloat, but the waves keep pulling me under, reminding me that you're not here to save me. This isn't a goodbye, but it feels like it. Can you hear me? Can you feel me reaching out to you across the chasm of our separation? My fingers stretch and strain towards where you are, hoping to bridge the divide, to feel the warmth of your presence just one more time. But all I find is emptiness. The space between us grows wider with each passing day, swallowing the echoes of our love and leaving me stranded in a sea of longing. How do I stop the pain? How do I move on? These questions echo within the chambers of my heart, unanswered, leaving me trapped in an endless labyrinth of grief. Will I ever find my way out? Will I ever stop thinking about you? Stop dreaming about you? Stop loving you? Maybe I'm selfish for wanting you, for needing you. Perhaps I cling to the remnants of our love because the alternative is too unbearable to contemplate. I'm scared to let go of the only anchor I've had in this storm, even though it's tearing me apart at the seams. It's been a year of tears and tantrums, of anger and heartache. I was angry at first. Angry at you for leaving. Angry at myself for not being enough. Angry at the world for allowing such pain to exist. I hated waking up next to an empty bed. I hated going to sleep in a silent house. I hated seeing your side of the bed, untouched, uninhabited. The silence screamed louder than words ever could, a constant reminder of your absence. Your scent still lingers faintly in the air, a ghost of you that haunts my every waking moment. The very walls seem to whisper your name, conspiring to torment me with your memory. I miss you terribly. I miss you when I wake, and I miss you when I sleep. I miss the way you smelled, the way you touched me, the way you looked at me as if I were the only star in your sky. Sometimes I think I'm losing my mind. I see your face in the crowd. I hear your voice in the rustle of the leaves. I feel your presence in the warmth of the sun on my skin. And when the night is cold, I long for the comfort of your embrace. If only I could turn back the clock, I would hold you a little tighter, love you a little deeper, cherish you a little longer. But time keeps marching forward. It doesn't care about my heartache. It doesn't share my grief. It keeps ticking away, reminding me that I'm still here without you. Is this what it means to heal? To accept the new normal without you? To learn how to live in a world where you are no longer a part of my everyday? Will I ever find happiness again? Will I ever love again? Will I ever laugh again? You left me shattered into a million pieces. And every day I gather a few more fragments, but it's a slow, painful process. Some days I feel like I'm barely holding it together. Some days the weight of my grief threatens to pull me under. But I'm trying, I promise. I'm trying to piece myself back together, to create a mosaic of my life without you. If you're watching this, know that I'm sending you all my love too. Thank you for the memories. Thank you for the laughter, the joy, the love we shared. And thank you for teaching me what it means to truly love and lose. A part of me will always love you. Always. That's all I have for you today.